AI, my friends, is totally mind-blowing. Since ChatGPT blew up, it's been like a digital revolution on steroids. All sorts of AI tools are popping up every day for things like video editing, coding, and playing with images. One thing that's become very popular is AI chatbots. These chatbots are like virtual buddies you can chat with in the persona of a real or fictional people. Platforms like Janitor AI and Character AI let you chat with anyone, be it a made up character or your favorite celebrity. All thanks to the power of generative AI technology and some slick prompts. Chances are you might have also tried some of these platforms.
Yes, I have.
Yet, let's be real, each one of these has its own limits. In Character AI, they filter your chats, and with Janitor AI, you have to set up some complicated stuff before you can start talking to a character. But here's the good news. There's a new AI chatbot platform and it's going to change the game. First off,
It is free.
that's right, $0.
Zilch nada.
No need to set up reverse proxy or use OpenAI's API key. And personally, I love the UI a lot.
What is it?
It is Dopple AI. I'm sure you have already guessed the name from the title.
Did you guess?
Dopple AI is not your some regular AI chatbot platform, but I gotta say, I believe it is better than any other similar platform. Here are 5 solid reasons why. First, as I said earlier, it is totally free. Just head over to Dopple.ai, hit that sign up button and sign in with your Google account or any other, and you are ready to roll. Heck, you can even chat without logging in. But to unlock the really dope features, signing up is the way to go. And take it from me, unlike Janitor AI, you don't need to mess with all those technical things. Let's talk about the brain behind it, the language model. Ever wonder what makes chatbot replies so smart and details? A good language model determines the quality of responses you get from chatbots. Dopple AI uses ChatGPT-4, which make the chatbot's answers sound super smart and detailed. The no filter mode. Leon commented on one of my Janitor AI videos, suggesting that only if Character AI didn't have a filter. However, Character AI does have a filter, whereas Dopple AI does not. You can enable the no filter mode in the chat preferences. But here's the catch. Since Dopple AI is a new platform, this feature is not available for public use, but it will be soon. Voice messages. Hold on to your hats because pretty soon characters in Dopple AI are gearing up to send voice messages, and I can't wait to get my hands on that. Chat in your own language. Language shouldn't be a barrier, right? With Dopple AI, you can chat with characters in various languages. You could have a heart-to-heart conversation with a character in your mother tongue. How cool is that? I use this to chat with Gandhiji in my native language, that is Hindi. To get chatting with your favorite character, all you have to do is to click on their profile picture and you are off to the races. Want to jazz things up? You can customize your chat settings, tweak appearances, flip on the no filter mode, switch languages, and more, all at the click of a button. Dopple AI has mad variety of characters, from helpful birds to wise mentors. And if you can't find the perfect match, guess what? They are cooking up a feature that lets you create your own characters. Keep an eye on their socials for when that drops. Now it's your turn, amigos. Go give Dopple AI a try and tell me what you think. Do you think it's better than other platforms? I'm eagerly waiting to hear your thoughts.